Are you tired of hunting for the forward button in Zoho Mail? Learn the exact steps to forward any email in under 30 seconds. Here's the simple process. Select the email, choose forward type, enter recipient, and send. Let's walk through each step. Start by clicking on your inbox to see your emails. Then, select the email you want to forward by clicking its checkbox. Now, click on the three-dotted line to open the Options menu. From there, choose Forward as Attachment, though you can also forward inline if you prefer. Go ahead and type in the recipient's email address. Then click Send to proceed. You'll be prompted to enter a subject. Type that in. Finally, click Send again to complete the forward. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.